Hi champions, welcome to week 5 of digital learning. We're going to keep moving with our multiplication and division. We're going to go with the 4s. Remember the 4s we did learn a rolling numbers song of that before break, so we're going to review that for the next 2 days. If you would like to do some stepping stone pages for multiplication and division, I have them listed here. In our review, remember anything times 0 is 0, but I wanted to explain something to you guys that the stepping stones pages will go over when you do the 0, dividing by 0. So the only division you can always do starts with a 0 in the front. 0 divided by something will always give you 0. Okay? The second one, 6 divided by 0, it's not possible. Even if you try to type it into a calculator, you're going to get the error sign. You can't do it. Okay? And the same thing, if you try to type in 0 divided by 0 into a calculator, it says, well, the book says cannot be decided, but it should give you another error sign. And it does. You can check it if you'd like. You just can't do it this way. The only way you can do it is if the 0 is in the front. So just something to understand, and we're going to keep moving forward. Once again, here we have our times table. So we're going to be doing the 4s today. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 40, and then of course 44 and 48 would be times 11 and times 12. If you need it, you can refer back to this chart, but hopefully you do not need it. Alright, so of course you can use the 2 strategies of skip counting, which is multiplication, or repeated addition, which is when you add something numerous times. It takes a little bit longer, but if you're not good with your math facts, that might help. So we're going to go over using our song over here. You guys liked the 4s. So let's fill out our chart. 4 times 0, 0. Anything times 0 is 0. So then we go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's how we roll our 4s. 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. La la, la la, la. Broncos are singing. Yeah. Hey champions, I decided to let you see me roll my numbers. So here we go. Watch my fingers, and the lyrics are on your screen. So jukes up. Broncos, here we go. Let me see your fingers roll. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's how we roll our 4s. 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. La la, la la, la. Broncos are singing, yeah. Okay, remember when you roll, the first number 4, you take your thumb and you kind of pause a little bit. 4, 8. Okay, so practice that a few times. We did learn this before break. Alright, so now that you got to see me roll my numbers, we are going to help the 4s help us solve these problems. So for the first one, we're going to roll our 4s until we get to 48. So do that with me. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's how we roll our 4s. 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Stop. How many fingers? We put up all 12. Now we're going to roll our 4s till we get to 24. You ready? Tell me, make sure you stop. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Stop. How many fingers were up? 6. Very good. And then whenever we have a 0, you know anything times 0 is 0. Let's roll our 4s till we get to 8. 4, 8. Stop. How many fingers are up? 2. Let's roll our 4s till we get to 20. Make sure you stop. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Stop. How many fingers did you put up? 5. Let's roll our 4s till we get to 4. 4. Stop. How many fingers? Just 1. Okay, so remember, we're rolling our numbers until you say the next number. You're not doing it that many times. All right, let's get some practice. We're going to write the equation and solve. How many wheels would 4 dirt bikes have? So the first thing we need to talk about is how many wheels a dirt bike has. Well, just like a bike, it has 2 wheels. So what's our equation? 4 times 2 equals blank. Let's roll our 4s 2 times. 4, 8. Answer is 8 wheels. Next one. If 4 Ubers arrive at a party at the same time carrying 5 passengers, how many people arrive at once? So, what's our equation? 4 times 5. Let's roll our 4s 5 times. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Stop. Should be 20 people or passengers. Number 3. 4 groups of animals walk around the park in threes. How many total animals were there? What's my equation? 4 times 3. Let's roll our 4 3 times. 4, 8, 12. Stop. How many? 12. 12 animals. Alright, for number 4, all 8 judges gave the entertainer a score of 4. What was his total score? What's my equation? 8 times 4. Let's roll our 4s 8 times. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's how we roll our 4s. 28, 32. 32 would be the total score. And the last one. 6 people came to the movies and paid $4 each. How much were the total ticket sales? So 6 times 4. Let's roll our 4s 6 times. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Stop. $24. Okay, your turn. Just like last week, I'd like you to time yourself for a minute, see how many you can get. And then when you finish, if you'd like to just go through and finish the rest of them, they do repeat, but it will help you get faster. If you'd like someone to call them out loud to you, that's fine, but if you'd like to see them, that's just going to help you know your 4's facts. I would make sure that even if the 4 is not the first number, so for example, since we're practicing 4's this week, 4 times 6, 4 times 10, I know it says 2 times 4, but I'd rather you roll your 4's 2 times. It's going to give you the same answer, but I would rather you try to find where the 4's are, and always just roll your 4's for practice. Okay? And then here are your 5 problems we're going to go over. How many legs would 4 cats have? There are 5 crayons in a pack. How many crayons are in 4 packs? Sorry for the typo there. Crayon. How many shoes are there in 4 pairs? Remember we talked about what the word pair means. A ukulele has 4 strings. How many strings would I need to restring 11 ukuleles? I buy 10 packs of Oreos. Each pack has 4 cookies. How many total cookies? Okay, so all of them are going to be times 4. Just need to figure out what the first number is. Okay, good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure you practice your rolling number song.